Hello children, welcome to the digital class of Social Studies of 10th Standard. Today we shall learn about the climate of India part 2. So do you remember part 1? Let us begin the part 2 of climate of India. Let's have a quick recapitulation of what we have learnt in part 1. You have learnt about differences between climate and weather, factors influencing climate and weather such as latitude, land-water relationship, altitude and upper air circulation. In this part, you will learn about seasons and global warming and its effects. So what are you going to learn in this chapter, in this part 2? You will be able to explain about seasons, analyze the consequences of global warming by the end of this chapter. So let's begin with seasons. Tell me children, how many seasons are there in India? There are mainly 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. Let's begin with winter first. In India, winter starts in the mid of November with a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to minus 10 degrees Celsius in the north part of India. But the south part of India, there will be a moderate climate as it is a peninsular part covered with water on 3 sides. Coldest month is January. Average temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. But some cyclonic depressions called western disturbances occur in the Mediterranean Sea belt causing rain. So you can see the picture here. It's a western disturbance. Those are the cyclonic depressions. Look at this picture. Here you can see an arrow mark, that is a cyclonic depression caused due to western disturbances. So the moisture here, there will be 3 water bodies, main water bodies like Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea and Black Sea. The moisture from 3 water bodies are passed towards the rest of the part of the other countries. So moisture from Mediterranean Sea is taken or carried towards the northern part of India, causing rain. This becomes a boon to the northern part of India, that is for a wheat crop which is cultivated during Rabi season. Let's move on to summer season. We all know that summer is very hot. India, summer starts in the month of March and ends in the mid of June at the onset of monsoon. April and May will be extremely hot. Temperature in the north would be 37 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The northern part of India experiences dry winds known as low winds. Can you see the image here? Can you see the arrow marks here? These are the dry winds which flow towards the northern part of India and they affect the climate. By the end of summer season, India experiences pre-monsoon known as bursting monsoon. They help in the early ripening of mangoes, especially in Telangana and Andhra regions. So they are locally known as mango showers. Just watch this video. What do you observe in this video? Yes, it's raining heavily. So which season does India experience rainy season? Any idea? Yes, it is in the month of June to August. So the third season is rainy season. It is also known as monsoon. The word monsoon is derived from an Arabic word called as Mausam. The Arab traders who came to India during the olden days noticed the regular reversal of winds, hence named monsoon. India experiences two types of monsoons, advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. The southwest monsoon flows over the Indian Ocean and moves towards the equatorial low pressure belt. The Indian plateau divides them into two branches, Arabian branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Bengal branch strikes the Bengal coast and southern face of Shillong. Arabian branch arrives at west part of India and moves towards the northern part. Both these branches reach India by June 1st at the onset of monsoon, and this is known as onset of monsoon. They gradually spread over the entire country within 4 to 5 weeks. Amount of rainfall is also very high. So that was about advancing monsoon. Then what is retreating monsoons? Retreat means withdrawal. So retreating monsoons are also known as withdrawal of monsoon. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and a rise in temperature. While day temperatures are high, nights are cool and pleasant. The land is still moist and the weather becomes rather oppressive during the day and is commonly known as October heat. So during retreating monsoons, the temperature will be very high. The days will be very hot and nights will be very cool. Look at this map. Do you observe the arrow marks here? In which direction are they moving? They are moving towards the south direction. So as we have seen in the advancing monsoon, by end of July, August, the advancing monsoons reach north part of India. Now what do you observe here? That they are withdrawing away from the northern part and reaching south part of India. So it begins in the month of September and ends by November 15th. The monsoons get withdrawn. Did you understand, children? Okay. Now let us learn the very interesting topic here, traditional Indian seasons. Now we have seen the main seasons, that is summer, winter and rainy. But do you know what are traditional Indian seasons? Yes, you all know about the traditional Indian seasons. We all celebrate these. Okay, let me tell you. In India, the year is divided into 6 2-monthly seasons. So what are they? And traditionally they are called as Ritus. So let us see what are the traditional seasons in India. Vasanta Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Sharad Ritu, Hemanta Ritu and Shishira Ritu. So by hearing these names, now you must be knowing the festivals you celebrate in these seasons. Do you? Okay. Let me make it more clear for you. Look at the tabular form. Here you can observe seasons and the months. They are known in the Indian calendar and Western calendar. Vasanta Ritu or Vasanta season falls in the months of Chaitra and Vaishakha. According to Western calendar, these months are called as March and April. Grishma Ritu, they fall in the months of Jyeshtha and Ashada. According to Western calendar, they are known as May and June. Varsha Ritu, according to Hindu calendar, these months are known as Shravana, Bhadra. As per Western calendar, they are known as July and August. Sharad Ritu, as per Hindu calendar, they are known as Asvayuja and Kartika. As per Western calendar, they are known as September and October. Hemanta Ritu, they fall in the months of Margashira and Pushya, and Western calendar, November and December. Shishira Ritu, they fall in the months of Magha and Falguna, and according to Western calendar, they are known as January and February. Now the interesting topic comes here, that is, what festivals are celebrated during these seasons. So let us see the festivals here. First, Vasanta or spring. So when you hear the name spring, so what comes to your mind? It's a pleasant atmosphere which you feel. It's the season where the leaves fall off, new leaves emerge, the flowers blossom, and so on. So this picture gives you a pleasant feeling, isn't it? So what are the festivals celebrated in this season? So what is the season? Vasanta Ritu. Sri Rama Navami. We all are aware of Sri Rama Navami. It is the festival of Hindu of Lord Rama. This is celebrated on the occasion of birthday and marriage anniversary of Sri Rama. And it is mostly celebrated, this occasion is a grand festival for the Hindu people, and they go to a temple called, can you guess? Yes, it is Bhadrachalam in Khammam district. So we all go, most of us, most of the people, they visit Bhadrachalam during the festival of Sri Rama Navami and take the blessings. And what is this? Can you guess? It's a colorful festival. So which is a colorful festival in India? Yes, it is Holi. So Holi is a festival of colors, and it is celebrated on the occasion of Holika Mardani, that is victory of good over evil. And during this festival, every child, every person, it's not only child, the people, older people, young, everyone, they involve in playing the colors. Can you guess this festival? Yes, it is Ugadi. Ugadi is a festival of Telugu people, and it is the new year mostly celebrated, and it falls in the first month of Chaitra. Chaitra Masam, you say that. So they are celebrated in the states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. This is Vasanta Panchami. You can see goddess Saraswati. So this is a festival of goddess Saraswati, who is known for knowledge, language, music, art, etc. And whenever a child is starting his studies, then we all pray to goddess Saraswati. So what is the second season? Grishma or summer. As we all know, summer is very hot. But what are the festivals celebrated here? Guru Purnima, Radhayatra, etc. So you can see the picture of Radhayatra. It is associated with Lord Jagannatha, held in Puri in the state of Odisha. Varsha Ritu or monsoon. By the name Varsha, you all know what season it is. Yes, it is rainy season. Yes, what picture do you see here? A peacock dancing. So at the onset of monsoon, we can see dancing peacock with its open, beautiful feathers. Festivals celebrated in this season are Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan means, Raksha means protection, Bandhan means tie. So it is a holy thread offered by the sisters. It is a symbol of love and affection and commitment of sisters and brothers. This is, can you guess? It is Onam. Onam is a festival of Kerala and it is a harvest festival. Malayalis celebrate this festival irrespective of religion. Every person in Kerala celebrate Onam. And what is this? What do you see here? It's Lord Krishna. So it is the festival of Krishna Janmashtami, that is the birthday of Lord Krishna. Sharad Ritu or autumn. Autumn means the shedding of leaves. And the festival celebrated here is Navaratri. Navaratri is known by different names in different regions. Like in Telangana, it is known as Batkama. We all celebrate this festival very grandly. It is the major festival in Telangana region. On this day, people decorate their houses and also the streets. It is also celebrated in schools, colleges, everywhere. It is a festival of flowers and different flowers are used to decorate Batkama. Batkama is the name of goddess Gauri. In the state, it is known as Batkama and it is celebrated for 9 days. On the last day of festival, the Batkama or goddess is immersed in rivers after completion of rituals. Let us watch a video. So you have observed that Batkamas are placed in the middle and in a circular form people offer their prayers. So this is a wonderful festival celebrated in Telangana region. And this is Navaratri, that is burning of Ravana. So it is a victory of good over evil, that is victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. So it is known as Navaratri or Dashera or Vijayadashami. Hemanta Ritu or pre-winter. In this season, we celebrate Diwali. So Diwali is a festival of lights. Every house is decorated with lights. And this is also celebrated on the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, knowledge over ignorance. Shishira or winter. It is a festival of Sankranti, Makara Sankranti. It is called in Telangana and Andhra region, and it is called by Lori in Punjab region. So it is a festival of kites and rangolis, and this is also harvest festival. Complete this following activity. How many types of monsoons are there? What are they? What are the traditional seasons in India? Hope you have understood the seasons and traditional seasons in India. Let's move on to our last topic, that is global warming and impact on climate of India. Well quoted by Theodore C. Sorensen, global warming is for real. Every scientist knows that now, and we are on our way to the destruction of every species on earth if we don't pay attention and reverse our course. So what is global warming? Global warming is defined as an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, especially a sustained increase great enough to cause changes in the global climate. So how is it caused? It is caused by the concentration of greenhouse gases, increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases. This is caused due to human activities such as burning of fuels, deforestation, etc. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is a natural process on the Earth's surface, warming of Earth's surface. The sun's rays reach the Earth's surface, and some of the rays is radiated back into the atmosphere. The rest is absorbed and re-radiated back by the greenhouse gases. Here the atmosphere acts as a blanket and protects the gases escaping completely into the outer space. The most effects or impact of global warming is melting of icebergs, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis and earthquakes. The present trend of global warming is AGW. What is AGW? It is anthropogenic global warming, that is caused by human activities. As we have discussed earlier, the human activities such as burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrialization, etc., which is leading to global warming. So let us understand it with a better example. This is a region in the northern latitude of Russia. A recent survey made by the scientists observed that methane is present under this frozen ice. So methane gas is very powerful, and due to global warming, methane gas, which is trapped under frozen ice, escapes into the atmosphere. When methane escapes or gets released into the atmosphere, the temperature increases. When the temperature increases, ice melts. So this is a circular and continuous process, that is, when the temperature increases, ice melts. When the icebergs melt, methane gas, which is present under the icebergs, releases into the atmosphere and again causing to increase the atmosphere temperature. So this is how the global warming is increasing and affecting the climate. Did you understand? Then how to reduce AGW? So what is AGW? Anthropogenic global warming. To solve the problem of this, it is not one person or one nation who can solve this. It is the complete world. It is the togetherness. They have to come forward to reduce the global warming. So a panel, an organization has been set up to solve this problem. IPCC, it is an international organization. The full form of IPCC is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. What is its function? To work out a treaty among the nations of the world to reduce AGW and try to slow down the process of climate change. So till now it has sent 5 reports. The first report was given in the year 1990, second report was given in 1995, third report 2001, fourth report 2007, fifth report 2014. Latest report, this is the latest report, but many disagreements are made between developed and developing countries. As you can see in this map, different colors indicate different countries, that is developed, underdeveloped and developing countries. Developed countries want developing countries to cut down on burning coal and other activities that add greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Developing countries argue that developed countries developed precisely by burning fossil fuels when they were developing. So let us hope for a better future. Answer these questions. Which from the following can cause a tsunami? Volcano, avalanche, tornado, earthquake. Monsoon is caused by impact of summer temperatures on the seas, movement of clouds, season reversal of winds, rise in the temperature. Name the continent where tundra type of climate is not found. Europe, Asia, Africa, North America. Complete this activity and do the following project. Collect information and pictures about various disasters occur due to global warming and AGW, and make a collage work and write the causes and remedial measures. For better understanding of the concepts, solve the worksheets. Please visit the official website of SCERT for worksheets. Hope you have understood the session, Climate of India. Thank you so much.